Hi guys, this is Akshat and welcome to another session of Introduction to Clay Modeling. Today we will learn amazing Faux technique which will show us how to create marble-like effect on polymer clay. This technique yields amazing result and is brilliant for making earrings, necklace or even decorative stones. Take 2-3 different colored clay and chop them using the cutter. This will look like a very random technique, but this random chopping is going to create the magic. Mix the chopped colored clay together and again chop them randomly. If they stick to each other, separate them to ensure we get all the colors. With the help of a brush, apply the white paint on the clay and make it into a lump. Roll it, press it and make an oval shape. Now let it sit for 5 minutes so the color dries out. Cut it in half to see the magic. Reshape and roll it if you like and let's bake it. This is how it looks after baking. I have added the nail paint coat to make it shine. You can use strings and earrings hoops to create earrings. Or necklace. Or let them be as it is and make funky stones. I hope you guys like this activity. If you did, smash that like button, share this video, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next session where we will together learn how to make this amazing Mokume Gane butterfly wall hanging. So stay tuned to What's Your Hobby?